All right, picture this. You're in a high-stakes system design interview, and the interviewer hits you with this open-ended problem. This is where the panic can kick in. Your mind starts racing, right? Jumping straight to the tech. Should you use NoSQL? That sounds flexible. Maybe? And what about a cache? You gotta make it fast.
How does the API even fit in? But see, this approach is unstructured. It misses the whole point.
But there's a much calmer, way better way. It all starts with this one core idea. Before you even think about tech, you've got to ask these fundamental questions about the data itself. So, step one, what does the user actually want to do here? Now, what are the main things we're dealing with? Let's start simple, a player and a match. First, let's define what a player record actually looks like. This makes the idea way more concrete.
And we'll do the same thing for a match record. What info does it need to hold?
Okay, so how do they connect? Simple. One player can have many matches, a one-to-many relationship. Every single record needs its own unique ID. We call this its primary key. And we link them up with a foreign key. See? We're building a solid foundation for our data. Next up, how is this data actually used? We're talking reads versus writes, the access pattern. Let's put some numbers on it. Estimating growth makes the whole problem feel real and manageable. So is all this data equally important? Nope. We can split it into hot and cold data. And what about the order? For a match history, you're definitely going to want the newest stuff first. Does anyone need to see thousands of matches at once? Nah. That's why we need pagination. So you see the flow. We go from the feature itself to the data to how it grows and gets accessed. And what you end up with is this awesome reusable framework that turns chaos into a structured answer. Why does this work so well? Because it's structured, realistic, and super easy for the interviewer to follow. So now you have the tools. You can calmly model any feature they decide to throw at you.